Let's face it, managing money might not be the most thrilling topic when you're 20. You'd rather be traveling, hanging with friends, or chasing your dreams. But here's the thing, mastering your money at this age is like giving your future self a high five. Time is your biggest asset. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Imagine a snowball rolling downhill. It starts small, but as it gathers snow, it becomes bigger and bigger. That's the power of compound interest. It's like planting a tree. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. So, even if you're starting with a small amount, it will add up over time. The sooner you implement good financial habits, the sooner you'll experience the magic of compound interest. It's never too early, and it's definitely not something you want to put off. Being in your 20s often means facing a unique set of financial challenges. You might be juggling student loan payments, navigating the job market, and trying to build a life you love, all on a budget that might feel a little tight. It's easy to feel overwhelmed, but remember, you're not alone. Many 20-somethings are figuring things out financially. The key is to acknowledge these challenges and start making informed decisions. From understanding your student loan repayment options to creating a realistic budget that works for your lifestyle, taking control of your finances can empower you to make the most of this exciting time in your life. Remember, every small step you take towards financial well-being is a step in the right direction. You've got this. Budgeting. The word itself might make you cringe. It sounds restrictive, like a diet for your money. But what if I told you that a budget is actually your ticket to financial freedom? Think of it as a financial roadmap. It helps you track your income, expenses, and where your money is going. When you budget, you're making conscious choices about your spending. You decide what matters most to you and allocate your money accordingly. A budget helps you save for those epic trips, pay off debt faster, and achieve your financial goals. It's not about depriving yourself. It's about being in control of your money so you can live the life you want. Saving money might seem impossible, especially when you're just starting out, but the truth is you don't need a huge income to start saving. It's all about creating good habits and starting small. One effective strategy is to automate your savings. Set up a system where a portion of your paycheck goes directly into a savings account each month. You won't even miss the money. Think of it as paying yourself first. Another great tip is to track your spending for a month. You'll be surprised to see where your money is actually going. Once you have a clear picture, you can identify areas where you can cut back and save even more. Remember, every dollar counts. Section 5. Financial Goal Setting, Mapping Your Money Future. Imagine this. You're cruising down the highway, but you haven't plugged in a destination into your GPS. You might enjoy the ride, but you'll end up somewhere completely different than you intended. The same goes for your finances. Without clear financial goals, it's easy to drift aimlessly. Financial goals give you direction and purpose. Do you dream of buying a house, traveling the world, retiring early? Whatever your aspirations, write them down and break them down into smaller, actionable steps. Having specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals will not only keep you motivated, but also provide a roadmap for your financial journey. Section 6. The 50-30-20 Rule, Spending with Purpose. Now, let's talk about how to actually allocate your hard-earned money. A popular and effective budgeting method is the 50-30-20 Rule. It's a simple framework that can help you create a balanced budget without feeling restricted. Here's how it works. 50% of your after-tax income goes towards your needs. This includes essential expenses like rent or mortgage payments, utilities, groceries, and transportation. 30% is allocated to your wants. This category covers things you enjoy but aren't essential, like dining out, entertainment, hobbies, and shopping. The remaining 20% is dedicated to your financial goals. This includes saving for retirement, paying off debt, building an emergency fund, and investing. The beauty of this rule is its flexibility. You can adjust the percentages slightly based on your individual circumstances and priorities. Section 7. Prioritizing spending, aligning choices with goals. Remember those financial goals we talked about? Now it's time to align your spending with those aspirations. It's about making conscious choices that support your long-term vision. For example, if your goal is to buy a house in the next 5 years, you might choose to cook at home more often instead of eating out every night. This doesn't mean you can't enjoy yourself. It simply means being mindful of your spending and prioritizing what truly matters to you. When your actions are aligned with your goals, you'll be amazed at how much progress you can make. Section 8. Investing early, building long-term wealth. Investing might seem intimidating, especially when you're young, but trust me, it's one of the most powerful tools you have for building long-term wealth. Remember the snowball effect of compound interest? The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. Don't worry if you don't have a lot to invest right now. There are plenty of beginner-friendly options available, such as low-cost index funds. The key is to start small, stay consistent, and let the magic of compounding work its wonders. Section 9. Success stories. Real people, real results. Don't just take my word for it. There are countless inspiring stories of young adults who took control of their finances and achieved incredible things. Take Sarah, for example. She graduated with student loan debt, but by diligently following a budget and prioritizing her financial goals, she managed to pay off her loans in just a few years. Or how about John, who started investing small amounts in his early 20s and is now on track to retire early and pursue his passion for photography? These stories prove that with the right mindset and strategies, you can achieve your financial dreams. Section 10. Your journey to financial freedom, one step at a time. Mastering your money is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It's a journey of continuous learning, adapting, and making informed decisions. There will be bumps along the way, but that's okay. The important thing is to keep moving forward, one step at a time. Don't be afraid to ask for help, seek guidance from financial experts, and learn from your mistakes. Remember, financial freedom is not about being rich, it's about having choices, flexibility, and the ability to live life on your own terms. So, take charge of your finances today and embrace the empowering journey towards financial well-being. You've got this!